Hello everyone, welcome back to TutorABC's Movie Notes. I'm Alan, and the movie that we're talking about today is called Billy Lynn's Long Halftime Walk. 它中文名字叫做比利林恩的中场战事. We're going to have a look at the trailer, and then we'll talk about 3 phrases that we see in the trailer that might help you to understand the movie just a little bit better.
You know, I was never tested like you've been. Young man forged in the crucible of war. You know things most of the rest of us will never know. Being celebrated as a hero, that's gotta weigh heavy on a young man's shoulders. But your story, Billy, you gotta understand it no longer belongs to you. It's America's story now.
Makes me feel like I've got no say in things.
Little brother. What really happened over there?
You got to engage the enemy up close. Not many soldiers are given that kind of experience.
Given. I'm not a hero. I'm a soldier.
Make it about something bigger than yourself.
If we just open the door a crack, the light comes pouring in.
What you did that day, that's when the war became real.
What I did, what we did, isn't just some story or idea, sir. It's our lives.
So we have 3 things in here that we're going to talk about. The movie obviously is about war and one person's experience in war. The first phrase uses 2 words that are a little bit difficult, but they're one phrase. It says to be forged in the crucible of war. Forged in a crucible. You can go look up what these words individually mean, but to be forged in a crucible, what this means is that this experience for this person was very difficult. It was a challenge, and through this challenge, he changed his personality. He became a stronger person because of these difficult experiences. So the person is complimenting him on how difficult this experience was, to be forged in the crucible of war. The second phrase that we're going to talk about is if something weighs heavy on your shoulders. So if something weighs on your shoulders, it's like you're carrying something very heavy. It's not literal though. Maybe it's something that you spend a lot of time thinking about. You're stressed, you're worried. In English we say this weighs on you because it gives you pressure or stress. And we see he has a lot of things weighing on him in this movie. The third thing is to have your say. So he says, maybe we never got our say. What does that mean? If you get your say, that means you get to share your opinion. So if a bunch of people make a decision and you didn't get to participate, you could say, I didn't have my say, or I didn't get my say. So those are 3 phrases that we see in the trailer that you might also have a chance to use in your day-to-day life. So pay attention to those, review the trailer, and go see Billy Lynn's Long Halftime Walk. We'll see you next time at TutorABC's Movie Notes.